In this video, we listed the 5 best vlogging cameras under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AKASO Brave 7 LE. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is a versatile, all-weather action camera designed to enhance your filming and vlogging experience. Featuring an IPX7 water-resistant design, it is protected from rain, snow, and splashes, and can dive up to 131 foot, 40 m underwater with its included waterproof housing. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and captures 20MP photos, ensuring high-quality footage and images. It boasts a convenient dual-display design with a vivid front screen for selfies and a 2-inch back touchscreen for easy operation. Equipped with improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, the Brave 7 LE delivers smooth, stable recordings even during fast-moving activities. Additional features include digital zoom, time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion modes, along with a full range of accessories like 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and multifunctional mounting kits. With Wi-Fi connectivity and support for MP4 video and AAC, MP3, PCM audio formats, this action camera is a reliable companion for capturing adventures in any environment. Number 2. KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 BK. The KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 BK is a feature-packed digital camera designed for adult users, offering a 20MP resolution with a 2.3-inch BSI CMOS sensor for high-quality stills and videos. It boasts a 40x optical zoom with a 24mm wide-angle telephoto lens, optical image stabilization, and a maximum aperture of f/3 for versatile shooting. The camera supports various exposure controls, including program, manual, aperture priority, and automatic modes, along with multiple metering methods and white balance settings. It can capture both stills and 1080p Full HD videos, with shooting modes like panorama and a self-timer feature. The 3-inch LCD display with 460,000 dots provides easy viewing, while connectivity options include Wi-Fi and a USB port. The camera supports SDHC memory cards with up to 512GB capacity and has a compact form factor weighing 15.37 ounces. Additional features include a fixed LCD screen, optical viewfinder, built-in flash with multiple modes, and compatibility with KODAK PIXPRO mountings. Number 3. KODAK PIXPRO AZ255 BK. The KODAK PIXPRO AZ255 BK is a versatile 16MP digital camera designed for adults, featuring a 25x optical zoom with a 24mm wide-angle lens, optical image stabilization, and the ability to capture 1080p Full HD videos. With a 3-inch fixed LCD color screen boasting a resolution of 460,000 dots, the camera offers intuitive controls and a variety of shooting modes, including auto, program, aperture priority, shutter priority, manual, panorama, and movie mode. It supports multiple metering methods and white balance settings for enhanced image quality. The lens has a focal length range of 24 to 600 mm, with 11 groups and 12 elements, and includes a digital zoom of 4x. The camera supports JPEG file formats with a maximum still image resolution of 16MP and offers connectivity options such as USB and HDMI. It has a built-in memory capacity of 67 MB and supports media speeds of up to 30 MB per second. The AZ255 is lightweight, includes batteries, and has an ergonomic design suitable for everyday photography and vlogging. It ranks number 111 in digital point and shoot cameras on Amazon with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating from 551 customer reviews. Number 4. AKASO V50 Elite. The AKASO V50 Elite is an upgraded action camera that delivers exceptional performance with its ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second and capture 20MP images. Featuring advanced CMOS photo sensor technology, it ensures high-quality footage, while the built-in electronic image stabilization (EIS) provides smooth and stable recordings by minimizing camera shake. The camera offers adjustable viewing angles, wide, medium, and narrow, and distortion calibration for enhanced image quality. With voice control functionality, users can operate the camera hands-free using simple commands like Action Start Video. It is equipped with a waterproof case that allows it to dive up to 131 feet, making it perfect for water sports such as snorkeling, diving, and surfing. Additional features include Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI connectivity, a 2-inch screen, support for multiple audio formats, and compatibility with micro SD cards. The AKASO V50 Elite is a versatile and durable choice for capturing adventures in stunning detail. Number 5. AKASO V50X Camera. The AKASO V50X is an upgraded action camera from the AKASO V50 series, designed to capture Ultra HD videos with resolutions of 4K 30fps, 2.7K 30fps, and 2K 60fps. It features a 2-inch intuitive touchscreen for easy operation and supports advanced functionalities like electronic image stabilization for smooth video recording during activities such as skiing, snorkeling, or even casual moments. The camera offers adjustable view angles ranging from 170 degrees to 70 degrees, with a distortion calibration feature to correct image distortion. It boasts connectivity options like Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI and supports video capture in MOV format. With two rechargeable 1350 mAh batteries, it provides up to 180 minutes of recording time and comes with a 17 accessory kit compatible with most action cameras, including GoPro. Additional features include a remote control, anti-shake, time-lapse, slow motion, and a maximum focal length of 140 mm, making it a versatile choice for capturing life's adventures.